Welcome to our channel. If you want to link two-factor authentication to your DMV online account for enhanced security, follow these step-by-step instructions to protect your driver's license and vehicle registration information. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to your state's DMV website. Each state has its own DMV portal with different URLs. Step 2. Look for Sign In, Login, or Create Account options, usually located in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Log into your existing DMV account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration process. Step 4. Once logged in, navigate to Account Settings, Profile, or Security Settings from your account dashboard. Step 5. Look for Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA, Two-Step Verification, or similar security options within the Settings menu. Step 6. Click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication, or Set up 2FA, to begin the setup process. Step 7. Choose your preferred authentication method, typically SMS text message, email, or authenticator app like Google Authenticator. Step 8. If using SMS, enter your mobile phone number. If using an authenticator app, scan the QR code displayed on screen with your app. Step 9. Enter the verification code sent to your phone or generated by your authenticator app to confirm the setup. Step 10. Save backup codes provided by the DMV system in a secure location in case you lose access to your authentication method. Step 11. Complete the setup and test the two-factor authentication by logging out and logging back in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.